Well, hello guys, Mr. G here, and we are going to be today making some molecules. Last time we make some examples. In this case, we make a diatomic molecule, which is here nitrogen, and we make here a molecule of compound, which it was sodium chloride in this case. Now this time we're going to be making another molecules, and obvious for that one we need to make or to get the atoms. Okay, so the first one we are going to be doing is oxygen. Now remember, to make oxygen or any molecule, the first thing we need to go is to make the atoms. All right, so we come in here and we're going to make the atoms. Oxygen has 8 protons, so it's 8 protons, 8 electrons and 8 neutrons. And there is oxygen. I'm going to keep it on this side because that is the first molecule we are going to be making. I'm going to keep this one back, I don't need them right now. And then we're going to go there to the corridor and make our molecules in the corridor. I think it's enough space to do that. So we come in here to the corridor and we're going to make oxygen. It's a diatomic molecule, so all we have to do is to place the oxygen there, and boom, there is a diatomic molecule of oxygen. As you can see, there is 2 oxygens together. So that is the first molecule we want to make. This one is a diatomic molecule. The next molecule we're going to make, apart from those we already make, is going to be nitrogen. And nitrogen is another diatomic molecule. So let's go there to our atoms to make nitrogen. We don't have nitrogen here in this list, and I want nitrogen, so let's take and make nitrogen. If you go to your periodic table, nitrogen have 7 protons, 7 electrons and 7 neutrons. Okay, and that would be nitrogen. So we take nitrogen, we place it here, and let's go and make the molecule of nitrogen. All the diatomic molecules, guys, are going to be the same way. So we're going to make it right here. There is this is hydrogen. Sorry, let's go here and get nitrogen. There is nitrogen. So this one is nitrogen. It looks like hydrogen, but is in actual fact nitrogen, and they the 2 molecules together. It doesn't need to be in a specific order. It doesn't really matter how you make it. Okay, so that is nitrogen. So we make hydrogen, we make oxygen. They are diatomic molecules. Where is nitrogen there? And this one is something else we done last video. It was sodium chloride. The next one we're going to make is water. We already made water once, but we're going to make it again, and how it looks now. Okay, remember, water will have now oxygen and will have hydrogen, because water is H2O. Okay, so we're going to get 1 oxygen and we're going to place it there, and we're going to take 2 hydrogens, 1 there and 1 there, and there is how will water look like. You can see it there, oxygen and 2 hydrogen in that specific way. So that is how water will look. And water, we can in actual fact come here to our compound builder, and we cannot do that with all the substance, but we can come here to our compound builder, and if we put like 1 oxygen, for example, and we make 2 hydrogen because it's H2O, this is water. So now we have water with us. Okay, so here this is the water we have here. Okay, there is the water. That is a beaker of water, lot of water. So now we're going to make another compound. We're going to make carbon dioxide, for example. So to make carbon dioxide, we need carbon and we need oxygen, because carbon dioxide is CO2. Okay, CO2. So we need carbon, which I don't know if we have here in the inventory, but we are going to make it again anyway. We're going to make carbon and we need oxygen. Oxygen, we just make it, so we don't have to remake oxygen. That is all we must know. So now for carbon have 6. So if you go to the periodic table, it's number 6, it will have 6, it will have 6, and this is carbon, guys. Now carbon dioxide, how do I make the carbon dioxide? How will it actual fact look like? If you have carbon dioxide, you will have one carbon in the center and you will have 2 oxygens on each side in a straight way, like this one here. It will be carbon dioxide. That one, the guys, is carbon dioxide. Carbon in the center, oxygen in the streams. Not all of them are the same. This one is a diatomic molecule, it looks like that. This one is a diatomic molecule, it looks like that. But water is, the actual look of water is like this one here. So it is oxygen, and on the corners like this will be hydrogen. No, the hydrogen is touching the oxygen in that side there. And the carbon dioxide, which is the last one, is a straight line. It doesn't matter if you do it like that or you do it, for instance, there and there. It is the same thing as long as they are on line. One carbon in the center and the oxygens on the sides. Okay, so let's go to make another molecule. We're going to make hydrogen chloride this time. Now for hydrogen chloride we need chlorine, which we make last time. We have the chlorine here, and the hydrogen we make it as well last video. So this one is nitrogen. Careful with the colors, are quite confusing here because it looks the same. Now this is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is 2 molecules, but it is a molecule of compound like that one there. So hydrogen chloride here, hydrogen chloride, you come, you place 1 hydrogen, you place 1 chlorine, and then you have hydrogen chloride on that side. Okay guys, so the next compound we're going to be making is ammonia, and this one is going to be the last compound we're making now, ammonia. Now for ammonia is NH3, so we need nitrogen, which we do have nitrogen, and we need hydrogen because it's NH3. So let's go to the inventory here, take away chlorine, and let's go to nitrogen. So be careful, the colors are quite confusing. Now how it looks, it does have a certain way of looking. It's not just like the other ones. Okay, you have nitrogen in the center, and then you have 3 hydrogens, 1, 2, and 3 hydrogen in that specific way there. Okay, that is how it looks. Nitrogen in the center and then the hydrogen on the side. Or other option to do it could be nitrogen, hydrogen there, a little bit down, and then the hydrogens could be on this side like this. So that is actually a better looking for ammonia. So this is ammonia, that is carbon dioxide, this one is water, and you see all the molecules here, guys. The good thing of videos, you can always go back and try to rewatch the video. Let's quickly see if we can make ammonia here. We need 1, 2, 3 hydrogens, and we need 1 nitrogen, and this, my lovely people, is ammonia. It is not water. You can see it here, ammonia. So ammonia, you go to my inventory, this is the ammonia, and then you can see I have the ammonia. There is the ammonia. But guys, this is all for now. We're making some molecules. We did make some molecules. Let's quickly have a quick look here. You can have from this stream here, you have carbon dioxide, which is 1 carbon in the center with 2 oxygen on the side. We have ammonia here. We have ammonia here, which is 1 nitrogen in the middle and 3 hydrogen around. We have here water, which is 1 oxygen with 2 hydrogens. We have a diatomic molecule hydrogen, diatomic molecule nitrogen, sodium chloride done last time in the video, and hydrogen chloride. And this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. I hope you enjoy it, guys. It's a very short video, but it's always helping. Thank you for watching. Next time we're going to be doing some chemical reactions. I may not be with the game. We're going to do an actual experiment to show you some reactions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mr. G here.